Hi, welcome to my 5E lesson plan. We're just going to go over a couple slides and some examples that I have. So the grade level that I've chosen is first grade, and some of the standards are plan and conduct investigations to determine the effort of placing objects made with different materials than the pathway of a beam of light. And this is an English standard that aligns. Students will ask and answer relevant questions to seek help or get information to confirm understanding. These are some of the concepts, ideas, and practices that will be part of the standard. Cross-cutting concepts address cause and effect. The core idea is some materials let light through, some let only a little light through, and some let none of the light through and make a little dark shadow on the surface behind them where light cannot penetrate. The science practice that's being used is allowing students to collaborate and plan and conduct investigations that gather data to serve as evidence to answer a question. These are some of the objectives. Yep. Students will be able to investigate different types of materials to determine if the light beam passes through the material. This is the core idea objective, and the practice objective is students will be able to determine if the materials refract, or transmit light when placed in the beam of light's path. Engage. So during the engage phase, when we actually start the lesson, students will be doing this Google form where it has them look at the picture, have the name above it, and they will decide whether light passes through it or it does not pass through it. Here are the rest of it. And then during the explore phase, students will watch a couple of YouTube videos and answer the questions on the worksheet about light. So this is the worksheet that they'll answer. They'll answer only the top part, the yes or no questions. And this is one of the videos that will be watched, where it talks about wax paper, and she shows that this is wax paper. She turns on the flashlight, and you can clearly see that the light goes through the wax paper. And then the next part is the explain phase, which students will break up into different groups and discuss what a light beam can pass through and what a light beam cannot pass through. Sharing their results will help students understand the overall standards, objectives, and new knowledge gained from this lesson. During the elaborate phase, the students will answer the bottom part of this worksheet. Here's a better picture zoomed in. Well, they'll just answer, like for mirror, they'll just put mirror just reflects it, so it obviously doesn't go through the object. So they'll find the place where it says, or the picture that obviously that I'm circling around doesn't allow the light to go through it, so then they'll put mirror right where the mouse is at. And then during the evaluate phase, the students will then again answer the beam of lights and materials Google form, and then we'll probably discuss what they have learned throughout the lesson. And that's pretty much my goal, or my 5E lesson plan.